Hi everyone. Today I have a special guest. This is my son Wyatt. Wyatt, can you say hi?
Hi! Mom's making a crab with red marker!
Yep. So today we're going to be drawing out of a different book today. So we're going to be drawing animals shape by shape. And this one Wyatt picked out. So he's going to help me draw this crab. So we're going to start with my red marker, as he said. So grab your pencils, your color crayons, your markers, whatever you're going to draw with today, and a piece of paper, and let's get started. You ready? Okay, so we're going to start by drawing a half circle. So we want our line at the bottom. We're going to curve it around, and there you have your half circle. I'm going to switch to black really quick because I want to draw his eyeballs. You want to hold my marker for me?
Mom, can I draw his eyeballs?
No, let Mama draw the eyeballs real quick.
Mom,
you can color in when I'm done. You ready? So we're going to draw the eyeballs. We're going to draw one eyeball. We're going to draw the second eyeball. So,
Mama, why are you over here?
because one is on the front side of his body and the other one's on the back side of his body. Let's go ahead and give him some eyebrows. And then we'll give him a mouth. So our mouth kind of comes up, curves down and out. And we'll give him a little bit of a smile, a little bit of a cheesy grin. Make those some cute little teeth. And then we need to switch back to red. So we're going to draw 4 little triangles along the bottom. Those are going to be what?
The feet.
Yeah, the feet. So we're going to draw 4 little triangles.
The 4 little triangles are the feet and the crab.
So we have 4 triangles. You gotta scoot over so they can see. So we have 4 feet. Next, we're gonna draw some claws. So we're gonna come out of the, not quite the backside, but more the backside of our crab. And we're going to draw 2 lines that come up. And then we're gonna change direction. This direction, and then we're going to draw almost 2 kind of triangle tops and then curved on the inside. So there he's got some pinchers. Now I'm going to draw the other one on the other side. Now this one I'm going to stop closer to his eyes just because I'm going to run out of space on my whiteboard. So we're going to do the same type of up, out and up, out and up, and then kind of that same triangle shape. Hang on, bud. And then those curved parts coming in to make them that way. Let's go ahead and divide him into a couple different sections so that we know he's got some joints. You're going to add some detail to him. What are you going to do? Oh, you're going to finish my line there? Thank you.
Mama, there was cracks, so I wanted to finish it.
Okay, thank you for finishing it for me. So then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make it look like his crab pinchers are moving. So to do that, I'm going to steal the black from Wyatt. And we're going to make some echo lines up here that are going to make it look like he's got those pinchers moving. And we'll do the same on this side. And again, I'm running out of space. So there you go. There's our simple, quick crab. And my special guest, little Mr. Wyatt. Okay, Wyatt, you say goodbye.
Goodbye. See you
next time. Bye.